I'll be done, just sing this song. So wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse for.
What is magnetism? Magnetism phenomenon associated with magnetic field which arise from the motion of electric charge. This motion can take many forms. It can be electric current in a conductor or charged particle moving through space, or it can be the motion of electron in an atomic orbital. Magnetism is also associated with elementary particles such as an electron that have a property can spin.
What is magnet? Magnet have two and O poles, it's called north and south pole. At the poles of a magnet, the magnetic field lines are closer together. Magnetic substances like iron, cobalt and nickel are composed of small areas, whereas the group of atoms are aligned like the pole of a magnet. Any bar magnet will have n called poles. One will be north poles and one will be south poles, which were named as such because the way are suspended bar magnet will orient with respect to cardinal direction. This is how a compass works. It's just a magnetic needle that always points north. Like poles repel and opposite poles attract. Just like electrode charge, the difference is just electrode charges can be isolated. No matter how many times you cut a magnet into half, it will always contain both poles. There's a formula can we use to determine magnetic force. First, F equal to QV multiple B. Next, F equal to QVB multiple sin theta. Next, we have left hand rule to determine the direction of magnetic field, and right hand grip to determine current and field.
What is magnetic field? A magnetic field is a vector field that describes the magnetic influence of electric charge in relative motion and magnetized material. A charge that is moving parallel to current of other charge experiences a force perpendicular to its own velocity. Magnitude of B vector is proportional to force acting on the moving charge. Magnitude of the moving charge, velocity, and the angle between V and the B field. Unit of the magnetic field is a Tesla of the Gauss. 1 ton equal to 10,000 Gauss. Magnetic force. Magnetic force is an attraction or repulsion that arises between electrical charged particles because of their motion. It is the basic force of electric motor and the attraction of magnet for iron. Magnetic field due to a long straight wire. The direction of the force from a magnetic field on a current running through a wire will be perpendicular to both the magnetic field and the current. The direction of magnetic field created by a long straight wire is given by right hand rule. Point the thumb of the right hand in the direction of current and the finger curl in the direction of magnetic field loops created by it. The strength of the magnetic field created by current in a long straight wire is given by beta equal micro OI over 2 pi r, where I is the current, r is the shortest distance to the wire, and the constant is the permeability of free space.
Here's an example to the how current flow through the long string wire. based on our topic, here's are some magnetic field source that we can find in our work. First, we have current in wire, and we can use right hand rule to determine the direction of current and field. Next, we have loop of wire, and third one we have solenoid. Next, we have bar magnet, and the last one is magnetic field on the earth.
Okay, let me see the example question for this topic. As we can see for the figure, it has two wires, which are wire A and wire B. Okay, from this question, we can list out all the information given. Okay, first, for the distance between each other is 20 centimeter, which is D. Okay, second, the value for the current on wire A and B is 20 ampere and 30 ampere. 4 meter. Okay. This question is want us to calculate the magnitude of force exerted on each wire. By using the formula given, force equal to ULA LB over D. And we can substitute the value given, and we will get the value of force, which is 2.4 times 10 power of negative 3 Newton.
強くなれる理由を知